What's going on, YouTube? Gonna be working on this mama whiskey today. What we gonna be doing? We got tired of boring music. We have to add some slap in here. 2 10s. We're gonna see how we do. It's been a while since we do something like this, but we just pretty much redid Eric's with the help of Miguel, so pretty much know how to get the right idea. Sure, Miguel's still gonna talk shit eventually though. But yeah, so 2 10s. You got the SKAR amp, 1200 watt, SKAR subs, pretty much full SKAR system. That's like, honestly, from our experience, the SKAR is one of like the better, you know, bang for your buck type thing. You know, if you don't want like that extreme high like quality crazy shit, this is perfect. And even then, I think Miguel has SKARs in his, and his shit knocks. But yeah, so he already ran the power cable, so that's already done. So we pretty much just got to do the work behind the stereo and back here. Let's see what we get started with. Oh. We're gonna start off popping off the stereo. We're gonna run the remote and what was cables called? The RCAs. The RCAs. Remote and RCAs to the back, and we just gotta figure out where to make sure it's a good ground. But pretty easy to pop off. You just pop this off, and then it's what, like 2 or 4 screws. It's like 2 7s. Yeah, and that shit just comes right out. So not really gonna show that. More show when we already ran the wire. So you wanna get that off real quick? Perhaps. Okay, so we got the stereo out. Gotta figure this out a little bit, but we just gotta find the one that. What the hell is all these two? Anyways, we just gotta find the one that's to the remote. That's the camera. That's the camera? Yeah. Okay. So pretty much tap in, well, not even tap in, actually get it to the remote, and then just run the RCAs. No, that's not bad at all. So I think the RCAs is on sub 1, and then these sub 1 and sub 2, I think. Okay. So we'll start popping off some panels, see what breaks. Alright, so we got a little bit going on already. Ran the remote and the RCAs. Obviously we're going to clean them up. We're just running them through behind here, out to the stereo, back here. Like I said, we're just running everything through right now. This doesn't look like this. It's for the remote, the knob. Yeah. Orale. So we got to run that too. Yep. Okay, so we're going to run that next. Pretty simple, honestly, especially these drop-in boxes. Comes with everything. So I put this in the front. Y que eche chingadazos. Alright, so it's time to hope we're doing this right. We're pretty much running them in parallel. So we're going to do this part first, from positive to positive. And we're going to run that to this, and then obviously this to this. So hopefully, no truena. No truena, no truena. Is it truena? Fuck it. You have a backup speaker. Huh? Wait. Didn't you bring 3?
Yeah, 3 over there.
Those aren't backup. Yeah, you really didn't bring 3?
Only brought 2. One's in my truck. Yes, I never took it out. Oh, then.
It's still there for backup. You guys want to see some money? Well, I should magnetize it.
Hey. I didn't mind. Edit that out. It's already cut and everything. Oh, it was on you, motherfucker.
Alright, so Raul came up with this brilliant idea. Putting it in here. So that way it's nice. We just got to do a little notch right here, run the wire in, notch that, run the wire out. I'm not even fucking pointing at where I'm supposed to be recording. Right here, in, out. We just got to trim these down so the cap sits on there nice. That's gonna need a lot more, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Let's keep grinding. So change of plans.
Now go up top.
We were gonna have to trim into here too much, so we just put it right here. Got this cable done. Bro, they're about to be like, these motherfuckers started when it was daylight. That's a dark. So I just gotta put that one. Yeah, we still got a lot of cleaning up to do. Maybe I should have been cleaning this shit up while.
That's nice.
Oh, my fault. I didn't hear you. Put the speakers back in and start doing all this back here. That's probably what I'll do. Alright, so we're almost done. It's been taking us a while, but we're almost there. We're almost there. So that's why there's a belt grinder. Got all the wires ran. Trying to make them nice and clean. About to zip tie those wires together.
You got black spray paint? Hey.
Gotta clean this shit up here. Can you slap his? I can't reach.
No.
Come on, man. Where we going to dinner to? Where are we going?
Torsap Thai Kitchen along the creek. It's fire. We went. Eric don't remember.
Expensive.
That sounds expensive.
You went.
All that Indian shit?
Thai food?
Oh.
He was faded. That was probably the most food I've ever seen him.
Faded or angry?
Faded.
Oh.
He was a little angry too.
Your shit smells like it to me.
Oh no, he was pretty faded when we went to Tailgaters too. And then he was angry about the bill.
Nah.
Oh yeah, that was expensive. 130 bucks each.
He spent 300 or 400.
Each?
No, together.
Each.
Oh no, that was each.
Oh, each. Yeah.
No, the more fucked up you get, the more stuff you order without thinking of the consequences.
We had like 3 or 4 things of oysters. We had other shit.
Alright. Anyways, back to scheduled programming.
You didn't say it was rolling.
So
Supposed to say action.
Podcast. They start talking. They're like, "Is it rolling?" I'm like, "We would think so."
hey, you're supposed to see the red light. Just like Javi's glasses. The speaker wire in, power's in, ground, remote, RCA's, knob. Everything's done on this side. Old fashioned. This is how we're gonna leave it, by the way. Now we just gotta figure out, like I said, the RCA's and the remote over here. Once that's figured out, we plug in the battery, see if everything's working. Once it's working.
Isn't the battery plugged in?
Huh?
Battery's plugged in.
He plugged it in? Oh shit. What the hell?
Oh my god, there's
Oh no, I plugged the battery in, but I didn't plug the power wire in. And then, yeah, we'll figure it all out.
at 7. What time's dinner?
Wait, I don't have nowhere to watch the fights.
Huh? You got YouTube TV.
That's where they're on?
I don't know.
Oh.
Why is it so sharp?
I told you, don't use that much pressure, bro.
I've never heard somebody be mad about sharpness.
You should have seen how many times he cut this shit.
I've cut it hella times.
I did see. I was here.
No, in the back. When you were here, he cut it like fucking 3
There you
times.
go. You think that's enough? We were fucking with it, like turning the subwoofer on and off and shit.
Yeah, it sounds good right there.
Alright, so.
Loudness sounds better.
Yeah, loudness though.
Yeah. You like it already or not?
Put on a song with hella slap.
Okay, what song?
But, fuck, what's it called? Kick the Sneak. All those fucking songs have hella fucking bass.
Who?
Kick the Sneak.
You don't know who that is, he's a youngin'.
I don't even know how to spell that.
I believe that too.
Keith?
Wait, you being serious?
He's typed in Keith.
Wait, you being serious?
You said Keith?
Keek.
Oh.
Kick the Sneak.
Nah, bro. Hell no.
Damn.
Pobre vato.
Oh, you're gonna have to.
Don't say oh now.
You have to have Miguel fuck with all this shit.
Yeah, and I have to have him fuck with the ones on the. Hey, it's working though. Success. What a mess. I'm gonna have to start cleaning everything up though. Alright, so it got late, didn't get to record the finish, whole finish process and everything. But that's pretty much how we ended up leaving it for now. Since he's gonna build an amp rack pretty much. Just zip tied these together, ran them. They're ran in here for now, like I said. He's gonna clean it up. What the hell? There you go. Put it back here. Down here. Not too bad. Doesn't look bad. But with the amp rack, it'll for sure look better. Nah, this sounds way better now. Huh? Why?
What do you do?
It sounds a lot better for sure. Guys, still clean it up a little bit. He still, like I said, wants to do an amp rack. Might be doing one for the taco too, so that might be a separate video. I gotta do stuff, a lot of work to this one. This thing is a donkey. The rear end still like plunking hella crazy. It needs work. But for now, that's it. I'm sure he's happy with the beat. And oh, by the way, did you guys see the taco with the new wheels? Look at that. Woo. Jeez. Clean, clean, clean. We'll catch you guys on the next one.